We also know that content of one of the instructions to the colonial delegations by their legislature, we believe it was Rhode Island, which would would serve to further harden British resolve against the colonies, because as we talked about last time, Rhode Island, a very defiant little colony, very radical in the eyes of many people. Rhode Island's instructions reached one of the original architects of the Stamp Act, namely Thomas Whately, who had been the primary designer and architect behind the Stamp Act of 1765. Whately in turn wrote to Grenville, and he stated that those who had reported the contents of these instructions to him had they had assured him that the instructions were treason. Very strong words. Treason is one of those offenses that has always been punishable by death basically throughout the history of the world. And so this was very strong. It shows just how hardened these certain people in the British government were becoming towards the Americans as a result of this defiance. Whately went on to speculate that no petition from such Congress would ever be accepted by Parliament, and he also recommended that consideration be given to rejecting any such petition on the grounds that basically the Congress was engaging in participating in such a Congress was an act of treason and therefore should never be given true consideration.